Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about going to and when to use it. We use it to express future actions. Example, clean. I'm going to clean my house tomorrow. Remember, we need the actions, am, are, and is with going to. And when using going to, use a contraction. I'm going to. We don't want to separate I am going to clean my house. Use contractions. I'm going to clean my house. And going to is always correct in written English, but when you talk, you listen to people, you hear gonna. I'm gonna clean my house. Let's look at the pronunciation. Pronunciation of gonna. G. G. Gun. Gonna. Gonna. I'm gonna see a movie tomorrow. Gonna. Very good. We use going to express future ideas in 3 specific cases. Let's look at them. The first one is plans. I have a plan for the future. I'm going to. I'm going to make pasta for dinner. Also, facts. It's a fact. It's a true fact. Use going to. I'm going to get old one day. Whether I like it or not, it's a fact. And for predictions, I think. I think it's going to rain tomorrow. Let's look at the first example, going to for future plans. I'm going to make pizza for dinner. And remember, when you're writing, always write like this, but when you hear people speak, you hear I'm gonna. And you can say, I'm gonna make pizza tonight. Let's practice. Are you gonna make dinner tonight?
Yes, I'm gonna make dinner tonight.
Are you gonna make dinner tonight? Very good. What are you gonna make for dinner?
I'm gonna make pizza for dinner.
What are you gonna make for dinner? Sounds good. Are you gonna cook breakfast tomorrow?
Yes, I'm gonna cook breakfast tomorrow.
What are you gonna cook for breakfast?
I'm gonna cook eggs for breakfast.
Sounds good. Are you gonna cook breakfast tomorrow? What are you gonna cook for breakfast? Sounds good. Are you gonna study for the exam?
Yes, I'm gonna study for the exam.
Are you gonna study for the exam? Very good. When are you gonna study for the exam?
I'm gonna study for the exam tonight.
When are you gonna study for the exam? Very good. And we use going to talk about facts. It's true. Whether you like it or not, it's a fact. I'm going to get old. You're going to get old. Everybody is going to get old. You're going to have gray hair. It's a fact. Let's practice. Are you going to get old one day?
Yes, I'm gonna get old one day.
Are you going to get old one day? Very good. Are you going to have gray hair?
Yes, I'm gonna have gray hair.
Are you going to have gray hair? Very good. How old are you?
I'm 40.
When are you going to turn 41?
I'm gonna turn 41 next summer.
Very good. How old is she? Very good. When is she going to turn 41? Very good. We also use going to talk about predictions with I think. There are a lot of clouds. I think it's going to rain today. Let's practice. Do you think it's going to be a nice day today?
Yes, I think it's gonna be a nice day today.
Do you think it's going to be a nice day today? Very good. Do you think it's going to be sunny?
Yes, I think it's gonna be sunny.
Do you think it's going to be sunny? Very good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, watch another one and watch this one again. Because remember, if you want to be fluent, you have to speak more. Practice more, so watch our videos and speak more, and you will be more fluent.